What is up, guys? Woody LS3 coming at you with another vlog. Today we're going to be going to the Project Torque shop because I'm finally going to pick up my wheels for the front. I'm actually getting the same set that I have in the rear. I actually went ahead and ordered the front ones. They're at the shop. They've been there for a while. I finally ordered some tires for them. So we're gonna get the tires slapped on at the shop, and then we're gonna come back here, slap them on the car. We're also gonna be dropping this package off for Freddy. It came to my house. Sometimes we order stuff here so we can keep track of things. We're gonna be dropping that off. It's for his Corvette. Pretty much these side skirts like mine, but his are going to be carbon fiber. So we're gonna go drop that off, install the wheels, and show y'all what it looks like with the full set. So let's go. Alright guys, we're pulling up to the shop. See what the guys are up to. Alright guys, so we're here at the shop. We're gonna go ahead and get this unboxed, deliver it, so we can put it for the Corvette, and let's see what the guys are up to. Special delivery.
Special delivery. Damn it, boy. C7 carbon?
C7 carbon, bro.
Holy macaroni. Let's open it up. Some of the side skirts, way?
Yeah, so now you have the front lip and the side skirts, all carbon fiber.
Since I messed up the car when I hit that tire, and I broke the front lip, and then I had ordered the side skirts, and I had ordered the wrong ones, but luckily Woody ordered the right ones for me. And now we have them here. ¿Se las instalamos de una vez, vale, o qué?
Yeah, we can.
Very good packaging. Oh, it comes with the bolts and everything?
Yeah, it comes with everything already there.
You got a knife?
Today. Got a master mechanic, see?
Master mechanic, traes a knife?
No navaja, güey. Míralo.
Te va. Edgar.
Hasta Klein.
O sea, feria, mira.
Pura feria aquí, pura feria.
¡Ay, con la chingada! Damn it, boy. You gonna do a how-to, Woody, how to install it?
Can.
Let's get these puppies on.
I don't know if there's some carbon fiber.
Y, güey, que no voy enciendo, güey, no mames.
And wait, what, another 3 months, 4 months?
Vale, verga, son negras, güey.
Nah.
Oh, you know what? I have the other pieces too.
What other pieces?
There's another piece that's something like, oh no, it's something like this. But I think it's for the front fenders.
Dang, look at that. Look at the quality in the carbon fiber.
Is that carbon fiber music? Damn. You install these on your car too?
Mm-hmm. Let's go on the side.
And these are the extended ones, right?
Yeah, these are the extended ones. Yeah,
Damn,
you see how
check it out, güey. The carbon fiber. Te parece que estoy pelando un pinche becerro, ¿vale? Damn. Extended side skirts, guys. Not no regular schmegular. These are the extended, because you know how we got the car looking all Hot Wheels?
Yeah. The regular ones only come about 1 inch. These are a good 2.5 to 3 inches wider. So yeah, these are nice. And it goes with your whole car because you already have the rear diffuser.
The front,
the rear diffuser, the front. The
front's right there.
The front spoiler with splitter, which is right there, and then you have your extended wing. So your car's gonna look wide, like super wide.
We gotta make these cars look good and
be fast.
Be fast.
Look at that. Look at the quality on the carbon fiber.
God damn, this shit's a mission to take this shit off.
That's good packaging right there.
Yeah, you got a point. Damn! I'm excited. Let's go try for one.
Alright, let's go.
You know what? Oh yeah.
Dang, it's gonna look sick.
Holy macaroni, bro.
That's all this car needs, though.
Yeah. And then the other one goes right there, huh?
Yeah, that one blocks that tire, so it'll look really good.
Well, there you go, Woody. Go on and get it done. Look at that. Carbon fiber. Then over here, carbon fiber. And the rear diffuser, carbon fiber. All
carbon fibered out. Alright guys, so while I'm here, we are going to be installing Freddy side skirts and front lip for his Corvette, and we're gonna be installing it here at the shop. He did get the carbon fiber side skirts with the carbon fiber front lip. Pretty much those were the last two pieces he needed on his car, so we're gonna be installing them and then show y'all the end result on how the splitters look on Freddy's car. So let's go ahead and start. All right guys, got the keys to the vet. Let's go ahead and start. Alright guys, we got the Corvette inside. We're gonna go ahead and get everything we need, set it up so we can be easily accessed. We're gonna go ahead and get the car jacked up so we can go ahead and get the side skirts on the side here and then install the front splitter. As you can see, I got the parts already laid out. Pretty much the hardware, front lip, side skirts. As you can see, they're all carbon fiber. They're gonna look good with his hood, his spoiler right here, and then he already has the splitter down at the bottom. I mean, this car looks already awesome the way it is. It looks really wide. Like I said, you can see how big the wing is from the back. Although the diffuser hangs out, this car looks really good. So like I said, it's all it needs is the side skirts and the front lips. We're gonna be taking care of that today, get these installed. So let's go ahead and get to work. Alright guys, so there you go. We got the front lip done. All we need is the side skirts, but we actually ran out of time. Tomorrow we're gonna knock this out. That way Freddy can have his car back and be back on the road. But it looks really good. I can't wait to see it with the side skirts and pretty much everything already complete. So I'll see you tomorrow in the morning. So let's go. Alright guys, so we're back here at Project Torque. We're gonna go ahead and we got the front lifted up already. We're gonna go ahead and start working on the sides. I did go get a better rivet gun just because the one we had wasn't working that well. So I went to go get a better one. Hopefully it doesn't give me that same issue and we can knock these out quick. So we're gonna get this knocked out, get this car back on the road so you can enjoy it. So let's go. Alright guys, we got the back already installed, but we got one bolt on. It's a little loose. I left it loose just because I want to see the shape I'm going to have to give it on the bottom. But we have to remove the back tire so I can go ahead and put rivets on the back. That way it's nice and sturdy. So when he's cruising, you know, it's not over there flapping all over the place. So let's go ahead and lift the back up and remove that tire. Alright guys, we got the wheel off. Now we're going to go ahead and start getting this where we can put this together on the side skirt and the splash guard. And then we're going to go ahead and start ribbing it in. So let's go ahead and start that. Alright guys, we got all the rivets on this side pretty much good. Gotta clean up some fiberglass there, but all I have to do is pretty much run rivets for the side skirt and that'll be it. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright guys, we got all the rivets on the side skirts. It's all pretty much, it's all attached, it's not going anywhere. Very strong piece, very happy with it. What do you think, Danny? Looks good?
I love carbon fiber.
Yeah, we know you like carbon fiber.
Especially because it makes the car look more aggressive and it looks wider.
Yeah.
Like, cause you already got the diffuser, the wing, the front splitter, even the hood has
even the
fiber.
hood has carbon fiber. So yeah, now he's gonna be sitting right. Maybe we're gonna shop around, get some wheels without them.
Yeah, we gotta make this car fast.
Gotta make it fast, cause man, there's a lot of fast cars coming over here trying to race us. So there we go guys, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get this side lifted up, start working on this, put the wheels back on, and then get Freddy to check it out, see if he likes it. I have no doubt that he won't. ¿Qué estás haciendo, Vale?
We're gonna try to fit Woody's wheels on this one.
But these are for the front. We're just checking to see if the barrel fits.
Those are 17?
Those are 18s. Damn, they fit.
Yeah, because it's a high pad, right?
It's a high pad, yeah. Yeah, because these are for the front ones. I got these 18s for the front. These are actually my wheels, guys. I got these for the front, so that way I'll have my full drag pack. But Freddy wants to try them on, see how they look on his car.
Yeah, it looks sick.
I think that's what you need.
18s?
In the back?
Oh, but we already ordered to break it.
No. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, right there. We can sell it. I mean, you do have your own shop. I think it looks badass, man.
With the 18s, huh?
With the 18s look good.
But you gotta figure out the offset.
No, well, we could be 18s by 11 or 11 and a half. Or we could even go as much as 12.
Porque aquí is tucked in.
Yeah. I tried in the front. See if the 18 fits in the front.
It doesn't fit.
Try it.
It doesn't fit.
Try it. Hold on. How much you want to bet it'll fit?
$20.
All right, $20.
Ah, sí quedó. Woody. No, mira.
That's a mamón. No, that's a mamón.
Oh, yeah, Woody, $20.
Hey, but what do you think? It looks good, huh?
So 18s all the way around?
I mean, you could do 19s in the front. I mean, I got 17s in the rear, and I'm doing 18s in the front. So I'm going bigger in the front, just to have that drag pack look.
Like this car?
I mean, you could do the same thing. You could do 18s in the rear, and then 19s in the front.
We do that.
But do you want them black, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think black will look way better on this car. You that, Denny?
Damn, Wells is the way to go.
With the black ones?
Yeah, the black
Black ones.
Or CC told me.
All right, guys, yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, if y'all want to look up any more content on this car, you can definitely check out Freddy's channel, Freddy LSX on YouTube. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and get to work on that other side. All right, guys, we got the car flipped around. We're gonna go ahead and jack it up, start working on this side. Alright guys, we finished the car. We got the side skirts on, the front lip, there's the other side skirt. So pretty much the car is complete. It has all its lips, front lips, side skirts, the rear diffuser, spoiler. So man, this thing has carbon fiber, pretty much everything. Obviously you can still get more carbon fiber parts like the hood, the roof, and the top. So I mean, but man, this is exactly what this car needed. I'm gonna show it to Freddy, see what he thinks, see if he likes it, and then get his reaction. So let's go see what he thinks. Alright guys, so I'm here with Freddy. He's about to check out the car.
As we're gonna see the type work quality Woody the damn. Damn, that's all carbon fiber now, Woody.
It's all carbon fiber.
Holy macaroni, it changed a lot.
Yeah, that's what it needed.
I've never had those side skirts, guys. I had the front splitter before, but now with the side skirts, it gives it a whole new look. Damn, that looks sick. It makes it look a lot lower.
Yeah. Oh, and the thing is, your car's not lower. We haven't even lowered it. But
well, we can't lower it with the big tires, but once we get that drag pack on there, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
I also have these right here in carbon fiber, so whenever we do the drag setup, I'm gonna bring those so we could go ahead and swap them. But damn, it looks aggressive.
Yeah, I think it looks a lot.
Carbon fiber, everything carbon fiber. Holy macaroni. Now all we gotta do is give it a nice wash, put some more bolt-ons on there.
Yeah.
Because if it looks this good, it's gotta be as fast as well. Yeah, it looks fast.
What do you think, Vale?
You finished it?
Yeah, it's done.
Also guys, Woody is gonna be ordering the headlights for us, and he's gonna be doing the job at his house. That Woody?
I didn't know that, but yeah, that's cool. I'll do it.
So he did it on his car. I know whenever he does things for his car, he does the best. So I'm pretty sure he's gonna do the best for me. And he's gonna order the new things, and we're gonna paint the inside black so it goes with the car. Because right now those are red. I haven't had the time or patience to do it, so
yeah, it's a process, bro. Like,
if you guys want to see that process, comment down below, Woody, so you could do a how-to. A lot of people don't know how to do that.
Oh yeah.
Open them up, order the new lens and everything else. You can put like whoever sent you the lens and everything.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure there's a lot of Corvette owners that got those painted the actual color of the car. Well, it's gonna change the wrap, guys, but the way it's looking right now, I really like it, so I might just keep it like that for
I think if we change the wheels, I think that would be good.
Yeah.
So.
Damn, it looks sick, Woody.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Alright guys, well that's it. We finished Freddy's car. Freddy, appreciate it for letting me work on your car, bro.
Hell yeah, man. He did an awesome job, guys. And if anybody needs some of this work done on your car, lowering it, on stock bolts, installing diffusers, rear diffusers, wings, lights, everything that has to do with C6s, Woody's the man to go. He knows what the fuck he's doing.
And we can order it right here at the shop if you want performance parts. We're dealers for Texas Speed, welds, CCWs, anything you need. So definitely hit up the shop.
That's right. Guys, we also installed the headers on this one. He installed a cam on his personal Corvette. So if anybody needs any type of work like that done, Woody could do it. And he will be doing it here at the shop. So hit him up. His Instagram is WoodyLS3. I thought that was my channel. His Instagram is WoodyLS3. And yeah, hit him up.
So there you go, guys. More videos like this coming at you. More cars with big horsepower. Thank you for everybody supporting. We'll see you on the next one.
Little heavy hitters, cat.